What's up, man?
What's happening?
Hey, man, tell the people where you from. What's your name? Where you from, man?
Emmy from Vancouver, Canada. Known my man Neil for
About 4 years.
The
Huh?
LA days.
So how's the pro basketball scene going, man? Even I know it's been rough since the quarantine.
Quarantine life slowed it down, but I'm trying to stay in shape, man.
That's what's
I'm
up,
going
man.
for walks.
So what we doing today, man? I see you got the
gotta
beard
fix,
game.
We got to fix something because this is it's outrageous, man.
Nah, it's just cool,
This is my
man.
first quarantine cut.
So what we gonna do? We gonna fade it around the ear.
Fade around the ear.
Keep
and
this
then-
so when you braid it up and stuff.
Facts.
All right,
I
and then what
trust
we
you,
doing
man.
with
I
the
trust
beard,
you.
man?
I trust you. With the beard,
Yeah.
we're gonna line it up.
Yeah.
And I'm gonna see if I can let this grow a little bit more James Harden-ish.
Yes, sir.
You know
I bet we'll be back, man, with
Yes,
the after
sir.
results. All right, so we here with my boy M. We in the after stage. Hold on, let me get a look at
Go ahead, take a look.
So now when you get your braids on top, all that crispiness gonna be under there.
It's not even fair. Appreciate it.
Go around the back, man. Got the taper.
Take a look.
Got the taper game going on. Beard game on ferocious.
It's a good look, man. Appreciate it.
All right, no doubt, man. Say peace.
Peace.